10 top benefits of fish oil and what to watch out. For fish oil is one of the most popular dietary supplements, widely known for its rich content of omega-3 fatty acids. These essential fats provide numerous health benefits, from supporting heart health to improving brain function. While fish oil can be highly beneficial, it is also important to be aware of potential risks and side effects. Here is a look at the top 10 benefits of fish oil and what to keep in mind before incorporating it into your routine. 1. Supports heart health. One of the most well-known benefits of fish oil is its ability to support heart health. Omega-3 fatty acids help lower triglyceride levels, reduce blood pressure, and prevent the formation of harmful blood clots. Regular consumption of fish oil has been linked to a reduced risk of heart disease and stroke, making it a valuable addition to a heart-healthy diet. 2. Enhances brain function and mental health. Another major advantage of fish oil is its positive effect on brain function and mental health. Omega-3, particularly DHA, are essential for brain development and cognitive function. Studies have shown that fish oil may help improve memory, reduce the risk of cognitive decline, and even alleviate symptoms of depression and anxiety. For individuals struggling with mood disorders, fish oil may offer a natural way to support mental well-being. 3. Reduces inflammation. Inflammation is the body's natural response to injury and infection, but chronic inflammation can lead to serious health problems. Fish oil has powerful anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce inflammation in the body. This makes it particularly beneficial for individuals suffering from conditions such as arthritis, where inflammation causes pain and stiffness in the joints. 4. Promotes eye health. For those looking to maintain healthy vision, fish oil can play an important role in eye health. Omega-3 fatty acids contribute to the proper functioning of the retina and may help reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration, a leading cause of vision loss. Regular intake of fish oil may also help prevent dry eye syndrome, a common condition that causes discomfort and irritation. 5. Improves skin health. Fish oil is also beneficial for skin health, as omega-3 fatty acids help maintain moisture, elasticity, and overall skin integrity. Many people find that fish oil can improve conditions such as eczema, psoriasis, and acne by reducing inflammation and supporting the skin's natural barrier function. Consuming fish oil regularly may contribute to a more youthful and radiant complexion. 6. Boosts the immune system. Another important benefit of fish oil is its role in supporting the immune system. Omega-3 South help regulate immune function and can enhance the body's ability to fight infections and diseases. Some studies suggest that fish oil may also improve autoimmune conditions by reducing inflammation and balancing the immune response. 7. Aids in weight management. For individuals looking to manage weight and metabolism, fish oil may be a useful supplement. Some research indicates that omega-3 fatty acids can aid in fat metabolism, help regulate appetite, and even enhance the body's ability to burn fat. When combined with a healthy diet and exercise, fish oil may contribute to weight management and overall metabolic health. 8. Supports bone health. Fish oil has also been shown to support bone health by increasing calcium absorption and improving bone density. As people age, the risk of osteoporosis and fractures increases, making it crucial to maintain strong bones. Omega-3 South help reduce bone loss and support overall skeletal health, making fish oil a beneficial supplement for aging individuals. 9. Promotes healthy pregnancy and fetal development for pregnant women. Fish oil is particularly important as it plays a crucial role in fetal development. DHA, a key omega-3 in fish oil, is essential for the growth of the baby's brain and eyes. Many doctors recommend fish oil supplements during pregnancy to ensure that both the mother and baby receive adequate amounts of omega-3 fatty acids for optimal development. What to watch out for when taking fish oil. Risk of contamination. Despite these many benefits, There are some things to watch out for when taking fish oil. One concern is the potential for contamination with heavy metals such as mercury, which can be present in certain fish sources. It is important to choose high-quality, purified fish oil supplements that have been tested for purity and safety. 2. Beware of its blood-thinning properties. Omega-3 fatty acids have blood-thinning properties, which can be beneficial for heart health, but may also increase the risk of bleeding, especially for individuals taking blood-thinning medications. It is always best to consult with a healthcare provider before starting fish oil supplements, particularly if you have a bleeding disorder or are scheduled for surgery. 3. Potential digestive side effects. Some people may also experience digestive side effects from fish oil, including nausea, diarrhea, or a fishy aftertaste. Taking fish oil with meals or opting for enteric-coated capsules may help reduce these unpleasant side effects. Fish oil offers a wide range of health benefits, from improving heart and brain function to supporting skin, eye, and immune health. However, it is important to be mindful of potential risks and choose a high-quality supplement to ensure safety and effectiveness. By incorporating fish oil wisely into a balanced diet, individuals can enjoy its many advantages while minimizing any potential downsides. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. And we will see you next time